Do you want to communicate without borders? Do you want to boost your education and career? Here's reasons why you should learn a new language. Do you think learning a new language is hard and doesn't have any benefit? These 5 reasons will blow and change your mind. Learning a new language has so many benefits, but in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons to do it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. The reason number 1 is to communicate without borders. Learning a new language will not only help you improve your communication skills, but also will help you become a better communicators by understanding the grammar and everyday expressions used more deeply and confidently. Example, if you're learning English as a second language, you will learn English skills in general, but also grammar, as well as the everyday English expressions used by native speakers and those learning English as a second language. The second reason is improved cognitive skills. Learning a new language helps you improve your memory retention, your problem-solving skills, as well as your cognitive flexibility. Example, by learning English as a second language, you will be obliged or required to learn a certain words by heart, such as a list of irregular verbs and new words so that you can improve your English. By doing that, you automatically boosting your cognitive skills. The third reason is career opportunities. Learning a new language opens doors to many career opportunities. Many employers value employees who speak multiple languages. Example, in customer service roles, HR or human resource roles, caseworker, diplomacy, e-commerce, and the rest of business in general. The reason number 4 is best travel experience. Have you ever thought of traveling abroad? So learning a new language will help you connect easily with the local communities, but also will make your journey or travel easier and will give you a deeper experience of a certain culture. Last but not least is expanding the cultural understanding. Research shows that language is deeply tied to culture. Reason why learning a new language will help you appreciate different traditions, different cultures, and different ways of thinking. Example, learning a new language will motivate you to try the food, the dressing styles, and activities preferred by the people from that given language. Please comment below which language you want to learn this 2025, but also hit the like button if you ever thought of learning a new language. Finally, don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss other language tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching this video.